Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing a 5-minute makeup tutorial using just 5 products. So this makeup tutorial is very easy and you can do it on the days when you are feeling very lazy and when you don't have any time to do your makeup. So I'll teach you how I did this makeup using just 5 products, and if you want to know how I achieved this look, please continue watching. And before watching the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel below. And yes, let's start with the video. So the first product I'm using is the foundation. The second product I'm using is this Maybelline's Fit Me is Loose Powder, and I'm gonna set my face with it. My third product is the bronzer. I don't skip on bronzer at all, so I'm using this NYX bronzer in deep tan. Now for the blush, I'm using the lipstick only. It's a great hack as well. Now on to our fourth product. I'm using this mascara. I'll not do my brows because my brows are bushy only, so I'll just use a mascara. Now my fifth and the final product is lipstick, so I'm applying it. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned some 5-minute easy quick makeup tutorial. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay tuned.